What's up guys, welcome back. I miss shooting over here. So today we're gonna be shooting some WD-40s. I've never shot these before. I don't know what's gonna happen. There's only 10 of them lined up. I think they're flammable, not sure, but we will find out shortly. And I got my Glock 17 back from Dynamic Weapon Solution. Is it focused over there, Jasperito?
Yes.
Okay, so there you have it. What a beautiful job.
Ready.
I have a... Ready?
Ready.
Fire and hold.